So, good evening, sir. This is my code, code for the Gravity game. So, first line, sir, na import by game, import says import random. The na line, sir, is by game is it some constant like screen dimension, colors, gravity, and player obstacle properties are defined. So, na kuan, sir, dire na say, dire na part is dire ang constant like screen dimension, color, gravity. So mo na sir na width, height, ay pan color sa background is white and ground height. So diri makita sir. So pag create sa screen sir, so this line is creating the screen. So screen is equal to pie game display set mode, so width, height, so player with height. So, diri na part sir is set up the game windows with the special dimension. So, diri ka mag set up sir sa dimension. So, sa pag import na po sir sa obstacle, so this part, the player initial position, size, and velocity are defined. An initial obstacle is created with random height and starting of screen. So, this part sir, mo na siya sir. Sa game variable, it is diri sir, sa score, mo na siya sir. So, diri ang function sa loop. The main game loop runs until the player quits the game. So event handling, the code handling the quit event which occurs with the player close the game window. So player control, game loop is so player control sir. The player position velocity are updated based on the controls and gravity. The player's position is constrained to stay on the ground with not jumping. Obstacle movement, the obstacle X position is updated making it move from right and left across the screen. Collision detection. It check the collision between the player and obstacles. If they collide, the player's horizontal movement is stopped and player's position just before the obstacle. So, mo sir. So sa dire sa display score, display score sir. So dire dapat ang na part is dire bawat ambak nimo mo plus yung score sa taas. So sa quit game, so the game loop continues until the player quits, at which point tie game is shut down and the program exists. Overall, the game allows the player to control a blue square jump to avoid red obstacle and scores point for successful obstacle avoidance. The game loop continues update the display making interactive. So, pagpakano ko sa code sir. So, salamat sir.